Top valuable and useful AI text tools and their uses. There are plenty of AI powered text tools available online, but not all of them are equally effective. Some are good, some are great, and a few stand out as truly powerful tools that can boost your productivity. In this guide, I'll walk you through the best text AI tools and how you can use them to your advantage. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is an advanced language model designed to generate human like conversations. Whether you need help with complex queries, brainstorming ideas, writing content, or just engaging in a fun chat, ChatGPT is an incredibly versatile assistant. 2. Google Gemini. Gemini, developed by Google, is another strong AI language model similar to ChatGPT. It's designed to provide accurate answers, detailed analysis, and in-depth insights to your queries. 3. DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a fast-growing AI company from China, recognized for developing powerful and cost-effective large language models, LLMs. Founded in 2023, its mission is to make AI more accessible by optimizing performance while using fewer resources. 4. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant integrated into Microsoft 365 apps. It helps automate tasks like drafting documents, analyzing data, creating presentations, and enhancing workflow efficiency. If you use Microsoft tools for work or study, this AI can be a game changer. 5. Pi. Pi is an advanced AI model focused on offering personalized advice, answering questions, and providing valuable insights. Whether you need guidance, recommendations, or just someone or something to talk to, Pi is there for you. 6. Character.ai. Character.ai is a fun AI tool that lets you engage in dynamic text-based conversations. You can chat about various topics, create fictional dialogues, or even use it for creative writing and storytelling. It's popular for entertainment, language learning, and even emotional support. So this is the AI tools, which are very useful and powerful. Next chapter, we will know more about each AI tools and its uses. Thank you.